Hey everybody, it's Robert from Kapwing, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite new challenges that's all over TikTok and Instagram right now, and that is the Vogue challenge. Now, a lot of things are changing in 2020, a lot of important conversations are being had right now, and some of those are around Vogue magazine, one of the oldest and most revered publications in high fashion, and around the amount of inclusion and diversity that we've seen throughout the years, or lack thereof, on the cover of Vogue magazine. Well, we are changing that today. Anybody can be on the cover of Vogue magazine. Everybody should be on the cover of Vogue magazine. And we're going to put you there today using a free and simple template online. This is the Vogue challenge.
I'm here now in the Vogue challenge template here on kapwing.com, and I'm just going to start by clicking Make It. That'll take you into the editor here, and then you'll see you have the Vogue title up top here with some headlines and then a PNG background. So I'll start by just dragging an image from my desktop in here, and I can stretch this out to take up the full cover of the magazine. And then you'll see this button on the right side, send backward. That'll send the image layer behind all of the text. So there we go. I have my Vogue cover all figured out here. I can enter in a custom headline, so maybe something like Atlanta on top. Do 3 lines for that because we're working with the rapper Gunna here from Atlanta. So Atlanta on top. I can even change the color of that. And then I could also change my secondary headline here if I want. So I could do like something like Gunna is back, or however you want to style that. And then all of this text is purely optional, so I can just delete it as well. And yeah, this is pretty much ready to go. I could go ahead and publish this. You can also make other adjustments if you like. Like I can highlight my image here and click adjustments. And then to give it more of that sort of Vogue look, I could turn the saturation down, make it black and white. And then we have a really Vogue-y looking cover here. So I'll just go ahead and click publish when I'm done. And there is my Vogue cover. You know, I put it together in just a few seconds. If you want to spend some time really perfecting it, getting the text to your liking, changing the font or the color, that's all up to you. But really, you're just putting an image in, changing some text, and your cover is ready to go. So these are perfect for the TikTok trend that's going on right now. But they are also showing up all over Instagram, and you can make it in just a couple seconds here. The template does all the work for you, and the link for that is down in the description. We're working with a free content creation tool called Kapwing.com, and that is the YouTube channel you are watching right now. Thanks so much for checking out the tutorial today, guys. We'll have more trends like this with templates for you soon. Consider subscribing to the channel if you ended up using this today, and we'll see you next time.